How to fix unable to delete all specified values Registry Editor error. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Running the Registry Editor with administrative privileges ensures that you have the highest level of access possible, reducing the chances of encountering permission issues. If that didn't work, if your account lacks permission to modify a registry key, you can manually adjust the permissions to gain the required access. Right-click on the key, choose Permissions and go to the Security tab. Make sure that the full control is checked under the Permissions for Restricted section, then click Apply OK to confirm your change. Afterward, try to delete the key again to see if you get rid of the error message successfully.